Getting started with EveryDollar.
EveryDollar is a user-friendly budgeting app that helps you take control of your money. As a student, budgeting for the first time can seem overwhelming, but EveryDollar makes the process simple. Let's walk through how to set up your first budget so you can track your spending and avoid financial stress during your college years.
Creating your EveryDollar account.
Go to the EveryDollar website or download the app and sign up for a free account. You'll need your email and a password. Once logged in, you'll be guided to start your first budget. EveryDollar's layout is clean and easy to navigate, with categories ready for your income and expenses.
Setting up your income.
Start by entering your monthly income. This could be money from a part-time job, family support, scholarships, or financial aid. Be as accurate as possible, and if your income varies, enter an average. Setting your income first helps you know exactly how much you have to work with each month.
Adding student expenses.
List your typical student expenses like tuition, rent, textbooks, groceries, transportation, and entertainment. In EveryDollar, you can either use preset categories or add your own. For each expense, enter how much you plan to spend per month. Don't forget to include occasional costs like supplies or club fees.
Balancing and adjusting your budget.
EveryDollar helps ensure that your spending matches your income. Every dollar should be assigned a job. Adjust your expenses as needed to avoid overspending. Check your budget regularly. Update it with real transactions and use the app's tools to monitor your progress. This routine will help you stay on track throughout the semester.
Tips for student budget success.
Be realistic with your spending plans and update them monthly or as your financial situation changes. Use EveryDollar to set savings goals, like an emergency fund or saving for textbooks. Review your budget regularly to spot problem areas early. With consistency, budgeting becomes second nature, supporting a successful college experience.